Whether embarking on an extended trip or simply spending a night away from home, basic toiletries are a must-have for pretty much any type of travel. And while one can haphazardly toss their various grooming essentials into their luggage, this method is definitely lacking in organization and leaves the rest of your bag's content susceptible to damage should a piece of your kit accidentally break in transit. One solution to this is using a purpose-built Dopp Kit, a compact carrying and organization solution made specifically for hauling grooming supplies or other small essentials. All of that being said, each Dopp Kit will inherently come in a wide variety of different configurations and materials, so finding one tailored to your needs is certainly no small feat, as there are many options and variations on the market. As such, we've taken the time to set aside 7 of the very best Dopp Kits that we believe check boxes for utility, durability, organization, and style. And as always, you can find pricing and more information in the description. We'll kick things off with the Bellroy Toiletry Kit, which is one of the more classic silhouettes on our list. Even though we've chosen the black version as our favorite, you'll find that this model has 5 different colorways in this configuration. Measuring 8.7 inches in length, 5.1 inches in width, and 2.8 inches in depth, it can comfortably fit in the palm of your hand for a very straightforward carry solution. Its flexible exterior is fashioned from single units of water-resistant PET woven nylon derived entirely from recycled plastic bottles, a 2-tone nylon grab loop, and a Bellroy branded leather tag. Using the padded leather zipper pull to access the main compartment, you'll find a water-resistant interior lining, 2 side mesh pockets for further organization, and a unique sleeve with a magnetic closure meant for longer items like razors or toothbrushes. Using the internal organization, we were comfortably able to fit a small stick of deodorant, a toothbrush and the dedicated magnetic sleeve, hair product, a small bottle of lotion, toothpaste, face cream, lip balm, nail clippers, cologne, a comb, and a razor for a comfortable fit with space left over. At $55 and backed by a 3-year warranty, the Bellroy Toiletry Kit is a pretty minimalist affair, but sits as one of our top picks for a quick overnight stay or weekend trip. And if you're already a fan of Bellroy's build quality and aesthetics, then this would be the obvious choice at this price point. For $5 more, the Peak Design Wash Pouch is another straightforward Dopp Kit with clean lines and a rounded pill-shaped silhouette, but clocks in just a touch larger with dimensions at 10.2 inches in length, 6 inches in width, and 4.4 inches in depth, with a total volume of 2.5 liters. And at 8.7 ounces unpacked, this sage green variant aims to be Peak Design's one-size-fits-all Dopp Kit solution for short trips and long hauls alike. The bag also takes an interesting approach to sustainability, with a rugged construction that can stand up to decades of use, unlike less well-crafted packs that slowly break down and need to be tossed after only a few years. Peak Design has built this one for the long haul. Looking at the exterior, the kit stands upright on any flat surface entirely on its own due to the high-density foam bottom. Derived from 100% recycled materials, the bag's weatherproof DWR-coated 200 denier nylon canvas shell plays a huge role in providing the Dopp with its self-supporting structure as well. A super durable No. 8 weatherproof Ultra Zip is marketed to withstand decades of use thanks to proprietary Dyneema abrasion-resistant thread. And the Sage fabric is Blue Sign approved, since the fabrication process is void of toxic chemicals, making this a safe choice for the environment, its fabricators, and its end users. Notwithstanding the gold-rated logo patch by the leather working group, the last exterior detail is a single side pocket serving as a great spot for any grooming item that may not make complete sense to combine with more fragile containers prone to cuts or tears or containing liquids or gels. The interior of this Dopp Kit is symmetrically divided into 2 equal and open storage compartments by the highly visible nylon polyester interior. Since the exterior is reinforced by Hypalon stress points, this Dopp Kit does have some stretch. A total of 5 interior silicone-coated TPU mesh pockets line the perimeter on each side too, providing the organization needed to store items like soaps, lotions, toothpastes, and more. There's also a magnetically sealed toothbrush pocket with a pull-out lining for easy cleaning and 1 other interior zip pocket for smaller items like a nail clipper. With the center zip open to reveal the internal organization, mesh stretch pockets, nylon dividers, and elastic webbing were all very convenient for stowing away our grooming items. Deodorant, hair product, hand wash, lip balm, face cream, toothpaste, a razor, and a comb all easily found homes within inside the center pocket, and our standard size toothbrush rested in the dedicated external pocket. If you're looking for a Dopp Kit in line with the top build quality we've already witnessed from Peak Design's everyday or travel bag series, this pouch will definitely be a great choice for carrying your daily grooming care items. Almost identical in price point to Peak Design's offerings at just $2 more is this Dopp Kit by Dispatch, a USA-based utility brand known for their straightforward visual aesthetic and fully handmade stateside construction. At 9 inches in length, 4 inches in height, and 4 inches deep and approximately 2.3 liters in volume, this pack isn't all too dissimilar to our previous entry. However, it does clock in roughly 2 inches slimmer in depth, so if space saving is a priority, this may be the better choice between the two at this price point. Although undisclosed what denier the full ballistic black nylon shell is, it nevertheless renders the kit in a very tough but minimalist profile on par with the overall design language used for their backpacks and other carry solutions. In our opinion, the interior is where this kit shines. When looking from the top down, there are two zippers for the two main compartments that allow access to the kit's primary sections and an extra side zipper pocket for external storage. This Dopp kit's comprised of two main sections, one larger compartment for straightforward EDC and larger essentials that need minimal organization, and another compartment with a few more defining features like 3 rows of elastic webbing to keep cylindrical liquids or gel secured, and a 3x7 removable valet tray that's perfect for a watch, keychain, or ring, a feature that gives this Dopp kit its unique relevance. Backed by DSPTCH's lifetime guarantee that protects against defects in materials or workmanship, this Dopp kit's size and build quality make it another great option for short excursions, weekend trips, or even for carrying EDC tech to and from the office. Making use of the dual compartment design, this Dopp kit allows for a more specific organization strategy by letting you organize your liquids and gels like deodorant, hair product, hand wash, and toothpaste separate from a razor, toothbrush, and comb, which could puncture or damage softer packaging. And if you find yourself running out of room, DSPTCH has included another external pocket for anything left over. With premium build quality made entirely in the USA and backed by a lifetime guarantee, straightforward styling, logical internal organization, and with a slimmer profile than the Peak Design kit, if space saving is of utmost importance for your application, we'd highly recommend this Dopp kit by DSPTCH. Priced alongside its competition is Aer's offerings in this space at $65 with version 2 of their Dopp kit. Aer's 2nd Gen Dopp kit sees the Gen 1's already ultra-rugged 1680 denier Cordura ballistic nylon construction jettisoned in favor of an even more hard-wearing VX42X pack, an extremely rugged material inspired by advanced cell cloth technology for a lightweight, durable, and 100% waterproof composition. At 9 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and 3.75 inches in depth, this 2.6-liter capacity Dopp kit clocks in at just a half a pound unpacked, which, due to its laminate materials, is a good deal heavier than our other picks. The YKK AquaGuard zippers, reflective zipper pulls for enhanced visibility, ballistic nylon side and back carry handles, quick access front pocket, exterior toothbrush holder, and a classic black air tag all lend themselves to similar features they've developed and honed in from their tech and travel pack lines. These elements work here in harmony, giving this kit a balanced aesthetic from all angles. The Gen 2 also swaps the standard gray interior from version 1 for a water-resistant, highly visible orange interior liner that pad the dual main compartments and offer ample storage. Contrasting black elastic organizer bands, stretch mesh pockets, and multiple toothbrush holders comfortably carry a slew of grooming essentials or EDC gear. The stark orange lining provides a great backdrop for organizing and then quickly identifying all your grooming essentials. And like the DSPTCH Dopp, on one side of the dual compartment layout, we opted for deodorant, hand wash, face cream, and a toothpaste in the elastic bands. On the 180, a toothbrush and a second interior holder, comb, and smaller loose items. And on the side, our razor fit comfortably in an aptly shaped external pocket. Since this Dopp kit's features are within our expectations utility-wise, we'd recommend this bag for anyone experiencing the need to weatherproof all aspects of their travel kit. The high-vis orange interior provides a stark background to quickly identify item silhouettes, and the X-Pack shell construction can offer maximum peace of mind if needing to access EDC or personal care items quickly to protect against any inclement or compromising weather. Moving on to a more expensive pick is this Dopp kit from Heimplanet, a German-based travel-focused equipment manufacturer keeping sustainability at the core of its offerings. Upon first glance, the most obvious deviation from our other picks is its stark symmetrical build, duotone nylon, and sleek silhouette devoid of any grab loops or handles. Sizing up at 9.4 inches in length, 5.9 inches in width, and 3.9 inches in depth, the two identical sections hold 1.5 liters each and result in the Dopp kit being the heaviest on our list yet at 12.3 ounces unpacked. As this Dopp kit is from a brand known for travel utility, you can bet its materials are ready to tackle even the toughest environments. The 800 by 660 denier polyurethane coated nylon exterior, dubbed Tyco Shell, has been dope dyed for environmentally friendly points, and two YKK water R zippers spread across the top half of both compartments to keep the interior dry, and an aluminum C-hook keeps both sections of the kit fastened together when stowed away. Seeing as organization is one of the more important aspects of any Dopp kit, we really like that the Heimplanet Dopp kit can be utilized in a bifold, trifold, or quadfold accordion-like configuration, depending on what essentials need to be accessed. This is a rather unique feature that offers insight into why its price point is a slight step above our previous pick, and it definitely stands apart. In its interior, you'll find many of the same materials and organization as others, like a 300 by 150 denier polyester lining, elastic organization webbing, and flexible mesh pockets for dozens of possible carry configurations. As such, its internal mesh, elastic, and zippered organization just felt natural for the purpose of transporting and using grooming essentials. A stick of deodorant, hair product, hand wash, face cream, and lip balm occupied the exterior side of the pockets, while the full-size toothbrush, small tube of toothpaste, nail clippers, beard oil, razor, and comb occupied the interior side beside the built-in mirror. Although the Heimplanet Dopp Kit can certainly be utilized for tech or other EDC, we'd categorize this as a far better pick for a wash bag solution or during travel hauling personal care items, seeing as the integrated hanging feature is an obvious keystone utilitarian addition that makes this Dopp Kit really stand out from the rest of its competitors. If price point is low on your list when it comes to your Dopp Kit search, apart from utility, our last two picks may offer a few attractive features not found on any of our other entries in terms of material construction and aesthetics. The Drifter Dopp Kit comes from Tanner Goods, an Oregon brand most known for their leather work, using carbon-neutral delivery and Japanese craftsmanship techniques, so it's no surprise then that this Dopp Kit has more sophisticated leather details than the rest. Despite its more heritage aesthetic, its shell is woven from konbu fabric, made from 50 denier Cordura nylon fibers, giving it a high degree of abrasion resistance and water repellent properties. At 9 inches long, 4.5 inches wide, and 4.5 inches deep, this moderately sized Dopp Kit utilizes a branded black English bridal leather side handle, secured with an anodized brass press-fit rivet and 2 matching zip pulls. Opening the main zipper, the 2 interior pockets provide just enough room for what you'd expect from a classic Dopp Kit. But as a note, unlike our other picks, the interior does not make use of many stretch pockets, mesh, or elastic, so we may recommend this kit for use in conjunction with fewer but larger essential items in profile to limit movement during travel. With only minimal side organization and a large empty piece of real estate in the center, Tanner allows you to reconfigure your pack in a definite surplus of freestanding arrangements. That being said, our deodorant, hair product, hand wash, toothpaste, razor, nail clippers, beard oil, toothbrush, comb, face cream, and lip balm all stacked acceptably with room to spare. Since the bridal leather additions and konbu fabric construction place slight emphasis on form over function, this Dopp Kit from Tanner Goods would be a stellar choice for anyone who also prioritizes aesthetic over utilitarian functionality. We anticipate the premium materials developing a nice patina over time, so this Dopp Kit's appearance will only get better with age. Admittedly, almost all of our former picks score high points for utility, rugged construction, and some type of weather resistance, so they would be the obvious choices for folks who, although may appreciate aesthetic, need function over form, and lean toward a more tactile design language. If, however, your day-to-day is stationed in or around white-collar work environments, you may find yourself needing a solution that checks an extra aesthetic box while not sacrificing utility to keep any larger electronic safe or personal essential item secure. Keeping both the price point and materials of the Tanner Goods Dopp Kit in mind, if full leather construction is a must-have when searching for the best Dopp Kit, look no further than the Killspencer Dopp Folio 2, crafted by hand in Los Angeles. Granted, this pick is utilitarian by blueprint and will no doubt carry your essentials during travel if needed. Its primary function is twofold: keeping larger items like an iPad, laptop, or magazine organized during travel or commutes, and to look extremely presentable doing so. This USA-made Dopp Folio's premium full-grain English bridal leather, Swiss-made zippers in an antique silver finish, and pull-the-dot button snaps render this kit combo in a very elegant profile. The look and feel is markedly more premium compared to textile solutions on the market too. Killspencer's second-generation Dopp Folio is first and foremost multifunctional. Since this Dopp Kit converts from a classic rectangular shape for carrying personal care essentials at 9.5 inches in length, 5.25 inches in height, and 4 inches in width, to a 14x9 slim portfolio, it's clear that this kit is apt then for the individual with multifaceted demands. One point to keep in mind, since this kit utilizes a 2-in-1 setup, the Dopp Kit configuration will not have any internal organization, so it acts as a shell only if used in this orientation for grooming essentials or EDC tools. Similar to Tanner's Drifter Dopp Kit, Killspencer's Dopp Folio 2 lacks the internal organization present in our other top picks, which is understandable, but remains somewhat inconvenient for securing grooming tools or other EDC during travel, which is in our opinion something to keep in mind when deciding, especially considering the price point. To balance that out, a definite plus is the largest size of the kit. By squaring off the design and removing internal organization, Killspencer has provided a solution for folks who may necessitate storing away very large or a high number of items. And although not a dedicated laptop slave, any modern professional demands a full-size electronic device on-the-go carry solution. And due to its size, you can offer something as large as a laptop, making it a convenient carry solution for full-size electronics as well. In this Folio configuration, we were able to comfortably fit a 13-inch MacBook Air, a small notebook, and a pen. And in the Dopp configuration, all of our essentials like nail clippers, lotions, deodorant, hair product, toothpaste and toothbrush, a comb, and a razor fit with plenty of room left over for larger containers. The dual-purpose build, premium full leather construction, overall sleek silhouette, and carbon-neutral delivery for the eco-conscious in mind, this Dopp Folio 2.0 from Killspencer is our recommendation to any modern professional demanding a classy all-in-one carry solution to get them from morning to night with style and ease.